Is it just me or everyone sees these on Instagram?
These polymer clay earrings have become a real trend right now, and I literally see them everywhere on my Instagram feed.
So I was like, okay, let's just buy it.
So I head over to Amazon and I searched for these, and they were kind of
Expensive.
And then I saw one that was like $6.99.
Why?
So
Being a creator myself, why can't I just make it?
I got them supplies and started designing. The first one, that is the triangular one, is up on my Instagram, so if y'all want to, y'all can check it out. I have put my Instagram ID below in the description box. Since I'm just a beginner, I'm just gonna make stars and hearts today with just 2 colors, that is black and white, a total of 6 pairs. Slice them using this tissue blade, flatten them like making chapatis. Then using these fondant cutters, I made the shapes. Pull out the excess, let them sit for like 10 minutes in the refrigerator so that they harden and don't get all wonky when I try to remove them. To reach to this stage of the video, it took me literally 2 hours. I don't know if it's the clay because the popular brands like Fimo and Sonic weren't available. Lastly, I placed them on butter paper, baked them in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 130 degrees Celsius. Then to glue my stud pins, I suggest you use Fairy Bond and not the all fix that I'm using, as it just doesn't do its job properly. And some studs had rough edges. It was mostly the star-shaped ones, so I had to like sand it down a bit. Finally, we've reached to the part that I've been waiting for a long time. So using my gilding glue, I secured the gold flakes to my studs, and trust me, they look bomb.
So, making polymer clay earrings is not as easy as I thought. It took a really long time
For me to figure out how polymer clay works. Anyway, enjoy the cute outro.
and I will see you all next time.